Child support, tax liens on your credit report, hurting your credit score. Let me show you what to do. Come on, let me show you what to do. First, we're going to go to the website annualcreditreport.com, download your credit reports, find incorrect data, as well as the negative items such as those public records. Next, we're going to do a security freeze from secondary reporting agencies, especially CoreLogic, SageStream, and LexisNexis, because they report the public records to the credit bureau. So you want to put a hold to that. Now we're going to send a series of dispute letters to the credit bureaus disputing the validity of that public record, making the credit bureaus have to prove that it was yours. Now, to help you write these dispute letters, the My Credit system has a feature called Create a Dispute Letter, where all you have to do is put your personal information in and it spits out a letter for you. First, we're going to do a letter designed to remove incorrect personal data like your name and address, etc. Then we're going to do a letter designed to dispute that child support or the public record. Letter gets created and you mail them out to the credit bureau. So if you need access to this DIY credit repair system, or if you need access to these letters to help you out, hey, swipe left, follow the directions, set up a 15-minute consultation with me. Peace.